This is the YOUniverse Mandala. At the very basic level, the very direct center is the human, the artist, the creator, potentially. The thought is always there that everything we know, every single bit of the universe may be created by us, by you, by me, whoever. We can never disprove this. So this is the basis of this drawing, which encompasses the entire universe and my view of the universe, my thoughts on the universe, of many of them, subconscious and truly conscious, from around 2014. Took about 6 months. It's drawn in ink. It's about 28 inches by 28 inches, and let's explore it. It's interesting to note that this art was created before the Flat Earth movement kind of descended upon YouTube and the world again. Another interaction that happened was with a Russian lady who claimed to be part of the Illuminati and proclaimed that I knew all her secrets with this drawing. So that's kind of interesting. Let's start at the sun. The sun, as we know it, provides us with all the light we need, gives us the color, it illuminates everything we know. Ancient cultures always worshiped the sun, and many ancient cultural theories of the universe have been taken into account with this drawing. As we surpass the planets, an exploding star in the distance, some aliens down around by Earth, comets breaching the atmosphere, bringing in their wealth of whatever they've got from wherever they came. And here comes Saturn, black hole in the middle, basically no one knows where that leads, but connecting our world to a distant one. The eye of Jupiter over there, Saturn, with her electrical storms at the top, and then at the bottom pole, shedding her cubic magnificence. There's all kinds of relevance to Saturn and the cube and time and all these different kind of things throughout cultures and different symbologies that refer to a lot of different things relating to the magic of Saturn, and so she's exposed there. We've got Neptune and the other planets, Uranus, coming up, with many other stars in between. There's Voyager, supposedly, if it truly exists, some aurora borealises, whatever they are, the ionosphere. They could be dust, mushroom clouds from a distant part of our world. In the distance, the volcanoes connecting to Neptune and connecting to the spiritual and universal celestial realms, as Sagittarius, one of our first constellations, shoots her arrow into the direct center of the Milky Way galaxy, her head exploding, or his head exploding from the top. The galactic center spiraling out with multi-dimensional realities descending upon it, similar to closed-eye visual sessions if anyone's ever had them. All the patterns that can emerge, cellular level to beyond. The ether is exposed over there. That's what kind of the arrow is piercing through, as the Hubble Deep Space Field, whether it's art or reality, is out there. Those galaxies, those lights, if we could only see them, I wish we could. Whatever they are, swirling gases, all the different potential universal solar systems just lingering around there as we descend to the moon. A spaceship, whether they've gone anywhere or not, they may have gone farther than we think, they may have gone nowhere, who knows. We go over here to the moon. Someday we will know, I truly hope. And it's artwork that I really think can bridge the gap and make people really think and question the reality and what we've been taught and told forever. So the phases of the moon go up there. The new moon is still a mystery. The connections to pyramids, different electrical events. Up here we've got the galactic cosmic DNA chain with all the constellations, all the kind of little combinations and perfect assemblies of constellations all gathered throughout there. Every one of them, all the 12 main ones at least. The star is being born and dying up at the top. The several phases of a star's life, supposedly, leading up to our sun. The red dwarf, I believe, with all her magical patterns emitting beautiful rays, or whatever it is. We have no idea. We really don't. Until I can personally see it, I don't really know. And no one should really claim to know anything until they've seen it or know it from exact personal views. And out, as we zoom out, we see the Earth, a full Earth, kind of like the United Nations map. At this point, I just wanted to put all continents on one kind of visual representation. It's something I've done before too, but I love doing that. The Earth's chakra points, our crystals, are energized in full harmony. The core, whether that remains a complete mystery, just in the human mind alone it is known, and probably by God, whatever that is. It is somewhere. Something created all of this. Whatever it is, we have no idea, but I hope we find out. We really truly do not know what our structure of our wonderful world looks like. We just know it's an absolute miracle created by something, whether it's us or some absolutely divine, magical thing that we can't even comprehend. It's out there. The answers are out there, and we must find them. People must think about this. It's such a beautiful thing to think about. I'd rather talk about this than anything else, and it may only be in our heads. You are the creator of your universe. Whatever you think is real, continue to think.